All right, so let's learn how to post a quiz for your classroom. So we're going to go to Classwork and Create. Okay, you can do assignment, quiz assignment, question, material. Okay, we're going to go to quiz. Title, maybe basketball, skills. Please answer each question. Okay, and then we're going to go into the quiz. Okay, basketball skills. And this is where this is on Google Forms. So you're going to create your questions. So we could say, how do you move up the court? Okay, you can do multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, check boxes, or drop down. We're going to do multiple choice. So the first one could be dribble, the second one could be walk, run. So answer key, the answer would be dribble, okay? It's going to be a required question, and then we would move on to the next one. And then you can ask as many questions as you want, okay? And then we're going to, let's change it here to basketball skills quiz and send. We can shorten that. Okay, we're going to add our link. Okay, and then we're going to assign, actually let's put quiz here too so they know. Okay, and then assign. All right, so then that is assigned